But let's go through the controls. I'm going to try and be brief just to keep the video short. Motorcycles, kind of two sides. Your right hand side is go and stop, and the left hand side is everything that you need to do in conjunction with that right hand side. So things that are essential to make the vehicle go, such as changing gears, indicating, that kind of stuff. Control of your console, that kind of thing tends to be in this area. My bike's a beginner bike, so it's quite straightforward, quite simple. Some of the components may be considered a bit old these days, but if we go through the key, first of all, the next position would be in the on position, the ready position. It's not going to go anywhere because the engine isn't on, and in order to do that you have to do a startup procedure. For the moment I'm just going to turn it off again, and I'm just going to walk around and go through the controls on this side. So first of all, up here we've got our throttle. That's our go button, as it were, nice and gentle on that. Just in front of that you've got your front brake. This is where most of your stopping power is, so you need to get familiar with that front brake. Your rear brake is down here with a foot pedal. You are supposed to use both those together. There's various ratios that people talk about, 70-30, 80-20, but basically you want to be doing the majority of the stopping of your stopping with the front brake. Nice big powerful brake at the front on most bikes to help you stop, and makes the bike dip down so it loads up that contact patch, gives you a bit more grip. Kill switch up here. If you want to start the bike or have the bike running, you got to have it in the on position. If you engage that kill switch, it's going to kill the engine. Just underneath you got a starter button, just under there. Those work in conjunction to fire the bike up. Then we're going to move on to this side of the bike, the left hand side. So this one, this grip doesn't move, that's stationary. Just in front you've got your clutch lever. The clutch is down inside the bike, let's say, but this lever here via a cable, what it does is it disengages your clutch like this. So when you pull your brake lever, you're actually essentially doing this, squeezing together, whereas when you pull your clutch lever, you're going apart. But that's more mechanical stuff. It doesn't really matter too much at this point. Just remember that this is your clutch lever, and you're going to be pulling that in to change gears. Then you've got controls here for your center control, for your center console, indicators, your horn. I used to hit that all the time when I was trying to indicate. Lights, controls, that kind of stuff. Every bike's a little bit different, so it just depends. You know, they might be somewhere different on yours. Obviously you got your fuel tank here, but that's pretty much it. I don't want to like overdo things at this point. I just want to keep them nice and simple. Obviously you got your kickstand down there at the bottom, that's keeping the bike upright. Okay, so first for me, I'm actually going to get off the bike in one of these videos, which is a first.